Hi, I'm Sarah, a materials mechanical engineer who's been in the aerospace industry for almost 3 years. Throughout my career, I have maintained my passion for STEM outreach so I can share the magic of science, technology, engineering, and math with the younger generations. A lot of my outreach is directed to girls interested in STEM because one of my most significant goals is to create an environment that empowers young women interested in these technical fields. I discovered how important it is for girls to feel comfortable exploring tech because they could possibly miss out on economic opportunities if they didn't have access to a community they felt comfortable in. My initial experience as a woman pursuing education in a male dominated field did leave me feeling slightly alienated as I saw more participation from male students in engineering classes and clubs, although the engineering environment does aim to be inclusive to all. Now, as an adult in the field, I realize this is an absolute gift. Not only do I bring a unique perspective to engineering challenges, but the ladies' room at my work is always empty. As I continue to grow into the female engineer that I've strived to be, I prefer to present myself as less of a look at me type and more of a come with me type.